GATE 2020 Civil Engineering Set 1 Question 2. The value of limit extending to infinity x square minus 5x plus 4 divided by 4x square plus 2x is. The given options are 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2 and 1. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed. Coming to the useful data for this question, one needs to have the knowledge of L'Hospital's rule for solving this limit. If we have a limit which is in the form of a fraction, and on substituting the value of the limit we get either 0 by 0 form or infinity by infinity form. So in order to find that limit, L'Hospital rules will be applied, where the numerator is differentiated once and the denominator is differentiated once separately. U by V rule should not be applied. This needs to be noted. We need to differentiate the numerator and denominator separately, and then the value of limit should be substituted to obtain the limit. In case this also gives us a value which is in the 0 by 0 or infinity by infinity format, we will differentiate the numerator again to obtain f double dash a and the denominator again to obtain g double dash a, and we repeat this process until we get limit as a real number. Coming to the question, we have this limit, and when we substitute extending to infinity in this limit, we can see that we would get infinity by infinity format. So this limit is eligible for the application of L'Hospital rule. So differentiating it for the first time, we get limit extending to infinity. When we differentiate the numerator, we would get 2x minus 5 plus the differentiation of a constant will be 0 divided by differentiation of 4x square would be 8x plus differentiation of 2x would be 2. This would give us limit extending to infinity 2x minus 5 over 8x plus 2. When we substitute extending to infinity in this, we would get infinity by infinity form again. So we need to differentiate it once more. So differentiating the limit in the fraction form once more, we will get, when we differentiate 2x minus 5 we would get 2, and when we differentiate 8x plus 2 we will get 8. This does not depend on x, so the limit can be found out as 1 over 4, which is a real number. So the value of limit extending to infinity x square minus 5x plus 4 by 4x square plus 2x was found out to be 1 by 4 using the L'Hospital rule. The relevant NPTEL reference has been listed here.